Playing some Robotron. Yay! Let's get into the game. Let's go. Ready to play some Robotron 64. Yeah, one player. Okay. Let's go. Yeah. Oh yeah, come here, lady. Come here, little robot. Huh? I can beat you up. See this? Yeah, yeah. Hey! Oh, at least I get another life. Okay. Good luck with that. Hey! Okay, one more life. Okay. What you gonna do now, huh? Oh yeah. You think I'm smart, huh? I am smart. Here, teddy bear. What the heck? Ow! Stop beating me up! Stupid game! Game! Your head is a game! No, you! No, you! Ooh! How does that feel? Did I hurt you? Did I hurt you? Okay, good night.